Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to continue on our Kerastase collection deep dive, if you will. And today we are going to be talking all about the Chroma line. And the Chroma line from Kerastase is one of my favorite lines. It is their line for color treated hair. It's also sulfate free. It just adds incredible shine to the hair. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. As always, all the products that I mentioned in the video will be linked down in the description box for you. But as I said earlier, we're talking about the Chroma line from Kerastase. This is their line geared towards color treated hair. So this line really focuses on strengthening the hair. It also has anti-frizz properties within the collection. It adds incredible shine to the hair, and it also helps to prevent your color from fading. So if you are somebody that color treats your hair, this line would be perfect for you. And as I mentioned earlier, it is sulfate free. So in this collection, you have two shampoos. The first one is called the Chroma Respect. That one is for fine to medium hair. And then the second shampoo is Chroma Respect Riche. And the Riche is for medium to thick hair. So in my brain, I think of rich. It's gonna be heavier for thicker hair. And you also have the conditioner. And the conditioner they call fondant. And that one is for somebody who is going to wash their hair 4 or more times per week. If you are somebody that washes your hair once, twice, or maybe 3 times a week, you're going to want to use the mask. The mask is called the Chroma Filler Mask. It is a deep conditioning mask, but it's not overly heavy. So even if you have fine to medium hair, this isn't like your traditional hair mask that's going to weigh your hair down, make it too heavy, make it feel greasy. It's actually very, very lightweight. Me personally, I feel like the hair mask feels more like a lightweight conditioner than a heavy mask, but they are slightly different. So again, if you wash your hair once, twice, or 3 times per week, you're gonna want to stick with the hair mask. If you wash your hair more than that, you're gonna want to do the conditioner, which is called the fondant. Now, of course, if you wash your hair 5 times a week, you could use the mask and vice versa, but that is just how Kerastase recommends it. Next up in the collection, we have the Soin Acid Chroma Gloss. I know I pronounced that incorrectly, but this is basically a high shine gloss treatment. This gloss is designed to seal the surface of the hair fiber and just leave you with that glass-like hair. The treatment itself is very lightweight. It almost has a watery consistency to it, so it's not a like thick gel-like type of gloss. It's more on the watery side. This is also going to help prevent your color from fading and, as I mentioned earlier, give you incredible shine. This gloss is also designed to give you 94% smoother hair, and it's supposed to increase your hair strength by up to 96%. Next up is the Chroma Thermique Heat Protection Spray. And this is a leave-in spray that you're gonna put into damp hair. This is going to reduce any frizz. It has heat protection up to 450 degrees. This product is also rich in antioxidants, so it's going to help smooth and soften your hair as well. I love this spray. The whole line itself smells incredible. It's probably my favorite fragrance of all the Kerastase lines. But this one, when you put it in your hair, you brush it through and then you put your styler on top and you blow dry it, your hair just feels so soft and smooth. It's probably my favorite Thermique out of the whole Kerastase line. This is also a great product if you're looking for a detangler. So I like to spray this in and then detangle my hair. And I just find that my hair detangles so easily. So that is the Thermique from Chroma. Next up is a product, and I think according to the website, it looks like it's on its way out. It may be discontinued, which I have good reasons as to probably why it's being discontinued or it's on its way out, because on the website it says last chance. but I am going to mention it just in case because I don't know everything, so it may just be on sale for whatever reason. But this product is called Mask Vert, and think of Verde green. It is a green hair mask, and this is to counteract the redness in the hair. So a lot of us, including myself, that have dark hair, we don't like to see red. We prefer the cooler tones. I love a blue-based black, so I'm always looking to neutralize red. And if you don't know, green is opposite of red on the color wheel, so that is kind of the color that they chose to counteract the redness. So this is basically a mask designed to counteract the redness, make your hair look a little cooler, a little deeper. So as I mentioned, it is green. And when I say green, this product literally comes with gloves for you to apply it with, because it will stain your hands like nobody's business. It will stain your shower like crazy. It is very potent, very concentrated, very green. So you have to be careful with it. Otherwise, you and your whole shower will be looking like a Shrek character. It does what it's supposed to do, but I think because of how intense it is, it's very intimidating, especially for the average client. For a back bar situation in a hair salon, it's great. But again, for an at-home everyday user, it's pretty intimidating. Now, as I mentioned, it is for darker hair. So if you are a stylist, you are using this on levels kind of 1 through 4, maybe 5. And if you are a blonde or you have highlights or anything like that, you do not want to use this on your hair. Blondes, you will turn green, and the ones with the caramely highlights, they will start to get a little muddy looking. This is basically for those that are solid one color, that are looking to tone down any redness. One nice thing about this mask is it does help to reduce breakage. It will also help to strengthen the hair. But again, it says last chance on the website and it is discounted, so I have a feeling it's on its way out. So that is the entire Chroma line from Kerastase. It's a very short, sweet, beautiful line. If you have color treated hair and you are looking for a new line to try, I highly suggest this one. Again, it's one of my favorites, and I love that in this line, whether you have fine hair or thick hair, there are products for everybody. So with all that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.